Good morning everybody and welcome back to the Blind Woodturners Workshop. We're ready today to make another amazing project, but as always don't forget your safety gear. And of course don't forget to keep your tools nice and sharp. Okay, and welcome to the first ever Make a Mini. So in these little short segments I'm just going to do a very little quick task and explain how I do it. So I am going to remove this carbide, this round carbide tip and give it a sharpen on the diamond credit card. So these are little just Phillips head screws, so just slacken that off. So I've got the 1000 grit. I've got some homemade lapping fluid. It's a bit of 2-stroke petrol with some paraffin in. So I'll just give that a spritz and then just feel I've got the right side. So then I'm going to do a figure of 8 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's feeling very sharp. If I can feel for that. Got an old little bit of Scotch Brite in here. I'll just give that a little clean now. For where the cutter sits in. Make sure it's clean and tidy. Replace the cutter, locate the screw. We're going to just nip that up again. Take your time. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's got a lovely, lovely sharp edge to it again. Happy days. And then if I get some tissue, here I've got one of the cleaning blocks, so just wipe that, and then what I like to do, give this a thorough clean. You don't have to do this all the time. But it does make a huge difference. It's probably easier if I just put it on there. Yeah, like I say, this is, you just do this every now and then. If you use the lapping fluid, it's going to keep the diamond in good shape and serviceable, but every now and then get your cleaning block and give it a right good seam to. So there you go. That's pulled any deposits out of there. Just feel cool. Always make sure you put it straight back in its little wallet. and it's good to go for the next time. So that's it, a Maker Mini. That's how quick and easy it is to sharpen your carbide. It doesn't matter if it's the round or the square or the detailed one. With the square one I like to do forwards and backwards 10 times and left to right 10 times. But yeah, easy. Keep your stuff maintained and in tip-top shape, and it'll look after you and perform better. So until the next Maker Mini, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep on turning.